What if I told you that this bucket of gross leftover kitchen grease is the secret to flying halfway across the world without the carbon guilt? Welcome to the era of biokerosene. It's not science fiction, it's literally trash to treasure. And it's already fueling your flights. Traditional jet fuel is basically ancient dinosaurs turned into liquid energy. Great for speed, terrible for the atmosphere. Aviation accounts for roughly 3 to 4% of global carbon emission. And since we are not getting electric jumbo jets that can cross the Atlantic anytime soon, as batteries are heavy, we need a drop-in solution. Enter Sustainable Aviation Fuel SAF, as known as biokerosene. It's made from renewable stuff. Used cooking oil. Yes, your donuts are helping. Agricultural waste, even specialized algae. The best part, it's chemically almost identical to the stuff we have been using for decades. You don't need to rebuild the engine, you just pour it in and go. When we burn fossil fuels, we are adding new carbon to the atmosphere that was buried for millions of years. But biokerosene uses carbon that already in the cycle. The plants or oils used to make it absorbed carbon while they grow. When it burns, it's just returning what it took. It can reduce life cycle emissions by up to 80%. Is there a catch? Of course. Currently, it's more expensive than the dinosaur juice. And we are not producing nearly enough it. But with airlines like United and KLM already running test flights and massive refineries popping up, the price is dropping faster than a trade table during turbulence. So, next time you are 30,000 feet up, look out the window. You might just be flying on yesterday's lunch. And honestly, that's pretty cool. Would you pay an extra $10 on your ticket to fly carbon neutral? Let me know in the comments. Until my next upload, have a good week. Goodbye.